to turn on or turn off Google Assistant personal suggestion in on-lock screen before use in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services. Scroll down screen, tap settings for Google apps, and then tap search assistant and voice. Select Google Assistant, and then select personal results, and then to turn on Google Assistant personal result suggestion on lock screen before use, select personal suggestion on lock screen before use switch until blue, or to turn off tap switch until gray. If you turn on, system will be see helpful info and suggestion action for things like your calendar, reminders, like, and more on your lock screen before even asked. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.